Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the converse theorem of Thales. Now converse of Thales. Converse of Thales or BPT. What is the converse of Thales theorem? As you know that Thales theorem is in any triangle, if a line drawn parallel to any one side of that triangle, then that line will be divided to the remaining two sides in the same ratio or proportion. Now, by the converse, we can say that in any triangle, if a line divides the two sides of that triangle divide into the same ratio or proportion, then that line will be parallel to third side. This concept is known as converse of Thales or BPT. So how to write it is mathematically. In any triangle, if a line divide to any two sides of triangle in the same ratio or proportion, then that line will be parallel to remaining sides of that triangle. This concept is known as converse of Thales. Now we try to prove it. First write what is the given. Means if a triangle, we take a triangle ABC and DE line divide the AB and BC in the same ratio, then DE will be parallel to BC. This is the concept. Now given in this concept, AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. Then to prove DE parallel BC. You can see here, and in the Thales theorem, this was the proved and this was the given. In this concept, this is the proved and this is the given. For proving this, we should be taking a construction and consider as a contradiction. Suppose DE is not parallel to BC, we draw another line DF which is parallel to BC. So construction, let DE not parallel to BC and draw another line DF which is parallel to BC. Then we start proof of this concept. Since as you seen here, first we consider that DE line is not parallel to BC and consider or draw another line DF parallel to BC. If we take, since in triangle ABC DF parallel BC, write what is the region, because by construction, you should be right here by construction. Therefore, if DF parallel BC, then we have already discussed in the Thales theorem, if a line drawn parallel to any one side of triangle, then that line will be divided the remaining two sides in the same ratio or proportion. That means we apply here BPT. Therefore, by BPT, DF line is parallel to BC. Then DF line divide the AB and AC in the same ratio. So we can write here AD upon DB equal to AF upon FC. This is the equation 1. But AD upon DB equal to AE upon AC, which is given. What is the reason? Reason that this is the given. So from equation 1 and 2, now write here, from equation 1 and 2, LHS are equal. Therefore, if LHS of equation 1 and 2 are equal, then we can write RHS are also equal. Therefore, AF upon FC equal to AE upon AC. Sorry, AE upon EC. AE upon EC. AE upon EC. Now adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides. Therefore, what will be after adding? AF upon FC plus 1 equal to AE upon EC plus 1. Now AF plus FC taking LCM upon FC equal to AE plus EC upon EC. As you seen here in the figure, AF plus FC equal to AC, equal upon में FC equal to AE plus C, this will be also AC upon EC. AC and AC will be cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to EC equal to FC. Now we can see here EC equal to FC, which is not possible, which is impossible. Since this will be possible, when F coincide at E. Therefore, this is contradiction. Thus, our assumption is wrong. Assumption means what we consider this is the wrong. This is not correct. Thus, our assumption is wrong. That is, DF not parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. So, this concept have proved. This is not more mathematically. This is the conceptual question. Now in the next video we will discuss about next theorem.